Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite things, which is the monthly subscription box by Simply Gilded. Now, Simply Gilded is a store on Shopify that it's owned, and everything is designed by Irene, and she has the most beautiful washi tapes and accessories, and she also sells a monthly subscription box, which is this one. And the subscription box is so beautiful. I mean, first of all, one of the things that I love most about it is not only, again, that you get the most unique and beautifully coordinated items, but that you also get something different every month. Every month is a completely different story. It's a completely different feel, so you cannot get bored of the subscription, and this is why it's one of my favorite ones. So if you are not familiar with the sub box costs $25 per month plus shipping, and shipping is a flat fee of $4 for domestic subscriptions or $14 for international subscriptions, but I'll leave all the information below. Just wanted to let you know, this sub box, if you fall in love with this subscription box and you want to get yours, make sure to go to Irene's website and you can sign up now. And if you do not know how, please just email the customer service at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I will put the information below, so no worries. But let's just get into this. So first of all, this is the main subscription, which is the one for $25. Now there's also an add-on subscription, which I will show you separately, and that's just for the 5mm add-on. But I just want to let you know, this is just for the main sub box. And this is the simplicity theme, and as you can tell, the sub box come in this gorgeous box that actually a lot of people have turned into like traveler notebooks. They have used it for, you can cut this out and make a dashboard for it, use it as a bookmark, for example. We'll cut the side out, and if you can tell here, because of course it's a gloomy day here, and I'm sorry about if you hear some noise in the background, it's the rain. So I waited and waited, but unfortunately it kept raining, so I had to film. But if you can tell from my, from the video, there is gorgeous foiling all around the sub box, and in this case is this beautiful silver foiling, and so even like Simply Gilded is foil. So what I'm trying to say is that all the details are just gorgeous. There's a little juniper there. Juniper is the mascot of Irene's shop, and as you can tell, this box is loaded. I mean, it's basically busting at the seam with goodies. So the first thing I want to do, because I actually have not opened this one because I want to be surprised like you are. So there's going to be a couple of noises plastic related because I haven't taken everything out, but I'll show you so you'll get the experience of the unboxing itself. Now, I do know that there was an item that is very, very special, so I was very excited. So here is your box, and I'm gonna put it to the side for the moment, but here is everything that you get. Now, there's something in here. This is where all your washi tapes are stored, so you'll actually, oh, and there's more in here. See, I mean, I'm telling you, you get so much for this sub box, and this is the cute travel notebook, and here are all the washi tapes. And before I start going into details on every single item, I'll show you everything in detail. I wanted to let you know about an issue that there was, unfortunately, with the sub box, but it actually works out to be a way better deal for you guys. So basically, as you can tell, there's a little note inside that says there were a number of small defects with the new foiling on the pink and white bow washi set. We included a silver foil bow set to replace this and gifted you the oops roll as well. Please note that since the pink and white rolls are oops, they will not be replaced or refunded, as they are a free bonus. Thank you for your continued support, and hope you enjoy, Irene. So I mean, how amazing is this? So basically, there was an issue with this bow set with the foiling, which I'm sure, because Irene is such a stickler for detail, that is just minimum. So you still get that for free, but you also get, where is this? Here, you get this set. So look at all, you get 7 rolls of washi. Now, if you're familiar with Irene's shops, you know that her washi tapes are $4.50 for the size, and then like I think it's $3.75, don't quote me on the smaller one, the 10 millimeter. But what I'm saying is that just the washi itself, you're already at $25, then you get everything else. So let me take everything back out of the plastic. I don't want to have any noises, and I'll take all the washi out of the plastic and I will show you everything individually. I'll be right back, guys. And each sub box comes with a little little menu, basically a list of what you're gonna get in the sub box. And the lights are so strong that you can probably read it, but basically says the first thing we're getting is a foiled journaling card. So I'm gonna be going by this order, and I'm gonna show you the foiled journaling card first. And these journaling cards are gorgeous. They're collectibles. I actually keep mine in a special binder, and I use them for dashboards as well, but they are so gorgeous. They're in this very thick cardstock that is beautifully smooth and buttery, and there's silver foiling. It says fresh, simple, and clean, which is just perfect with the simplicity, and like the idea of spring as a renewal, a refresh, a rebirth. And so I think is just spot on. And I love the little heart right there. So these are gorgeous, and I love also the rounded edges. The next thing we're gonna get, it says washi tapes, and so let's start with the washi tape. I was gonna start with something else, but let's go down the list. They're probably easier. So as I mentioned before, because there was an issue, which is honestly is super minor, I don't actually see what's wrong with them, but these are basically oops, and they're being gifted to you. So you're getting all these washi tapes plus these. So instead of getting, like in replacement of these, you're getting this gorgeous silver foil bows, which are stunning. They have white bows on them. So why don't I open them up individually, and then I'll show it to you. So why don't we start with the pink, which is a beautiful pink. I'm trying to think, actually it's pink as my nails. It's kind of like matches beautifully. It's a gorgeous pink with white foiling, and mine do not have any issues whatsoever. So my bows are just perfect, and that's the 15 millimeter. And then you get the little companion, which is the little 10 millimeter. And I love to use the 10 millimeter in my I use them in my Kate Spade. I'll use them in between, the pages. I just love them together. And then how beautiful is this? This is just like a very soft floral with a white background with the soft pink flowers and the most beautiful little leaves. Just love them together. It's just like, as you can tell, everything is so soft, and the colors are very soothing. Then we have another 10 millimeter, and this one has some words on it that are foiled, and so it says bright and happy, fresh and fun, bright and airy, light and airy, and then simple and clean. And it's got little fruits. It's just perfect transition into spring. I love the silver, because if you think about like kind of spring, I think more about a silver than like a gold, etc., which may be more for like a winter. And then I love this pattern because this makes me think of a picnic. And even though like picnic is more like red, this is just the perfect spring picnic. Like a red would have been like a checkerboard, it would have been more like a summer picnic. This is perfect for spring picnic. And then we get into the replacement washi tapes, which is this gorgeous, this is shimmers. This is so shiny, and I love the feel of it, and I just love this color. I think this is the first one like this, because I have almost all of Irene's washi tape, because clearly I have a problem, but it's stunning. And the white, it's just such a gorgeous, foiling on it. I just love it. So you get all these washi tapes, right? So just look at this. We're already starting, and I think this is a lot, guys. This is a lot. And I'm gonna lift them all up and move them to the side, and we're gonna move to the next item on our list, which is the foiled pocket TN insert. And of course I have it all in a pile, and it has to be at the bottom. And here she is. So these are super cute. These are super useful too, because Irene she includes them in basically all her sub boxes. I think it has come in every sub box that she's had. And if you do not use, these are pocket size, but if you don't use a pocket size, you can use this as a list, for your list on your purse. They are, still here it says keep it simple, sweetheart, and it has the gorgeous silver foiling. I just love it. These are very portable. Of course, if you use a pocket insert, then you are all set, and I love these. Now next on our list will be the gel ink pen, which I do know that I did drop it somewhere. Here she is. Here she comes. Oh, beautiful. And this is similar to the pen that we had in the February sub box. It's a very hefty, like substantial, beautiful pen. It writes beautifully, has like a like this gorgeous pattern, which is the same pattern of the TN insert. Is very soft. I hope that you can see it, but it's a white background with the soft pink flowers, and this little sage green kind of leaves. And this one, again, this is the exact same pen that was in the February sub box. I'm gonna put it right here, and it's just one of my favorite because it writes beautifully. Then we have the lined denim pouch. And another thing that Irene always includes is these little pouches, which are so useful. I actually use mine for makeup in my bag. I have it in my gym bag. I use them, I change them with the season. And look, there's her label on the inside. I love this, and I love the denim inside. It's just like a little surprise, And the outside is this beautiful, same pattern as the barrel here of the pen, and I just love it. It's so fresh. I don't know. There's something about it. It makes me, makes me happy. Then we have the bow charm slash cup clip bow, and I thought I had dropped it, but I didn't. So I removed it from the plastic, but I wanted to show you the backing, because this is the card that it comes on inside. Clearly a cellophane, but it's gorgeous. And you have this beautiful clip in this beautiful pink, which is one of my favorite pink. It's like a ballerina pink, and the bow clip. And I use these in my traveler notebooks. I'm sure you do too. You can use them actually. Some people, what they do, and you can do it if you want, sometimes you can just if you're so inclined to have like a little bow, you can attach it here to your to the zipper and have it right there if you want to have a little additional detail. But of course, it's a bow, you can always use it everywhere. Then we have the foiled notepad, and the foiled notepad is another thing that I use always, because I write down my things on notepads every day. So let's remove this cute little kind of sleeve. And this is foiled, and it's a perfect size, super soft. I love the sheen on this paper. It says market list, which is just perfect. It's the beautiful silver foiling, and you get a lot of sheets. These are so useful. And then the last thing is the Lux sticker sheets, and then there's more, because Irene always gives us a little extra. Now these are her Lux sticker sheets, and this time I can feel the paper is different. So one of the things that I think we all love about the Lux sticker sheets, and they're gorgeous, is that sometimes because the paper was a little thicker, it would be hard to use a ton of them in your layouts. But this paper, we got it going. We can use this. I can't wait to use this in my layout. Actually, this is just going to be perfect for any layout. The paper is buttery soft. It's like unicorn paper, but on steroids. It's just too gorgeous. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So if you're using an Erin Condren, you're set. Also, if you are using just any kind of these are Erin Condren size, so normally that will work, but I use any plans, printables, inserts, which have the same size boxes, so I use them there. I just love this. These colors are just stunning. Like you can see here, you get headers, plenty of headers. You get icons, you get some checklist, you get more appointments, couple like planning time, and then here more headers. You get some deco, and the foiling is just beautiful. But there's something, and also some little flags. But what I love most about it is the colors, and I love this paper is just, you know, it's just something different than actually, you know, she's had before. So I'm very excited, and I'm gonna grab something that I had dropped, and here we go. And there's a little bonus. So this is a little sneak of something that it's coming to the shop, and this is the Juniper Simplicity. So she gave us an extra sheet of stickers. Normally Irene gives us two sets of stickers sheets, which are the Lux stickers. She included a third one. This is a special edition of the Juniper line, which is coming out soon. And by the way, if you have not joined Irene mailing list, make sure to do so, because she's gonna send out a survey next week, which includes a coupon. So if you fill out the survey, you will receive a coupon to buy the new stickers, which are coming out soon, and they are adorable. And I have a sneak peek on my Instagram if you want to take a look. But again, this is the new line of adorable stickers in which you have basically Juniper, and she has all her little outfits. There's Juniper doing coffee, doing work, working out, you know, just like icon stickers, etc. And this is the version for the Simplicity box, and she is just adorable. And love the paper, same buttery, beautiful, smooth feel of the Lux stickers. So this is something I'm really looking forward to have more. But as if this was not all enough, Irene gave us one extra thing, and if you have seen sneak peeks on her Instagram, you know what's coming. And this is kind of insane, because look at how gorgeous this cuff is. This is a baby pink, and if you are familiar with these bracelets, they sell for $25 on their website. So just this bracelet would be basically the cost of the subscription box, and you get this in the box plus everything else. And then if you turn it over, inside it says "Be the Light," which I love, because we all need a reminder, right? We all have our rough days, and just try to be our better selves. And this is actually one of my favorite things, because as you can tell, and I'll show you soon, I have all the bracelets in all the other colors. So if you want to pick up the other colors, you know, the silver, the rose gold, or the regular gold, they are in her store, and I stack them all together. And now I can't wait to stack this one together with them, and it's just gorgeous. Now this was the main sub box. Now you have an option each month to add on, if you want, the 5mm add-on, which in this month it's always different. This month is 3 5mm washi tapes, which color coordinate with the kit, and sometimes they're 4, and or sometimes it's 3, but the add-on always costs $5.75, and it ships for free with your subscription box. But you have to add it to your cart. If you're already a subscriber, you have to add it to your cart before you are charged for your sub box. Or if you are a new subscriber, you're subbing for the first time. Actually, I can't make him stand up. But if you're a subscriber for the first time, you have to check out with the 5mm in your cart, because you can't be shipped separately. But look how gorgeous. These are all metallics. So we have our regular gold, we have our rose gold or copper. Actually, it's more of a copper color, and then we have the silver foiling, and they all have the white bows in them, and I just love them. And these are so useful. I think I've shown you before my little obsession. I'll show you to you again. And actually, this is one drawer. So, you know, I love my 5mm. I have another drawer. This one is full, so I had to start a second drawer. So, you know, I am not I have a problem. But these are, I know I'm not alone though. So this is the 5mm add-on. So again, guys, if you gonna bring back everything in so that you can get a full, view of everything that is included, and you can understand why this is amazing. And the subscription box is still available. So if you want to, you can just go to simplygilded.com, and then you can subscribe to March, and you can get this sub box with all these goodies. But you know, don't wait too long, because once it sells out, and then you will not be able to you know, purchase it again. But this is it, guys. A little messy, but this is everything that comes in the box, and I hope you like this unboxing. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Leave me a note below, and or even better, send me a message on Instagram, because I always reply to those. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.